Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Yaris backlight bulb. First, gather your tools like a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Consulting your owner's manual is also a smart first step to confirm the exact bulb type needed for your specific model. This preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer for everyone involved. Next, we need to access the tail light assembly from inside the trunk. Open your trunk and locate the small access panel or trim piece near the backlight. You might need to remove a few screws or clips to free this panel. Carefully pull back the carpet or trim to fully expose the back of the light assembly. This step gives you clear access to the bulb holder, making the next part much easier. Now it's time to replace the bulb itself. Gently twist the bulb holder about 1/4 turn counterclockwise to release it from the light assembly. Once it's free, carefully pull the old bulb straight out from its socket. Be sure to handle the new bulb by its base to avoid touching the glass. Then, firmly insert the new bulb into the socket until it's fully seated. This ensures a good electrical connection. Finally, let's put everything back together and test your new bulb. Reinsert the bulb holder into the tail light assembly, twisting it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Replace the access panel, making sure to fasten any screws or clips you removed earlier. The last step is to turn on your vehicle's lights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your Yaris backlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.